The light upstairs came on. My heart almost stopped. Whoever was in this house, they knew I was here. Standing in the hallway, frozen in place. Cold sweat slowly running down my face. Every step upstairs creaking slow, like somebody pacing to and fro. I tried the door, but it wouldn't give. Trapped in a house where I shouldn't live. Wind howling loud through a broken pane, but the footsteps upstairs still sound the same. Then I heard something drag on the floor, like a heavy chain moving slow by the door. My mind saying run, but my legs won't move. Something in the dark got something to prove. The door upstairs slowly opened wide. Shadow on the wall, but nowhere to hide. Light in the hallway flickering low, like it's trying to warn me not to go. My heart beating loud like a drum in war. Every step bringing me closer to the floor. Then a whisper floated down the stair. Why are you still standing there? I said, listen man, I'm leaving tonight. But the voice just laughed in the pale moonlight. And the floor upstairs started to shake, like somebody stomping, trying to break. Pictures on the wall start to swing, and the silence suddenly start to ring. Then I noticed something strange and wrong. The footsteps sound like more than one. That's when I realized those weren't just footsteps. It sounded like 3 people walking upstairs. But I swear, I only saw one shadow. And the voice got deeper, calling my name, but I never told them why I came. Slow footsteps coming down the stair, heavy breathing in the air. I backed up slowly, ready to run, but the front door locked. I couldn't get none. Then lightning flashed through the window glass, and I finally saw what was coming down the stairs. 3 shadows, but only one body to be continued.